Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to make charcoal powder. Charcoal powder is very easy to make and you can make it in a couple of minutes. All you need to do this is a stick of willow charcoal, a sanding block and a container to put the charcoal powder into. I like to use a container with a lid so that I can keep the charcoal powder contained. So let's make some powder. Simply pick up your sanding block and rub the willow charcoal against the sandpaper. And you'll see that the dust, the willow charcoal powder just falls to the bottom there. And in a couple of minutes you can get a fair amount of charcoal powder, and I'm showing you here this willow stick of charcoal that I'm using is got a foil wrap on it, and I do that of course so my hands don't get as dirty. And if you'd like to know how to foil wrap your charcoal, I do have a video on that. You can click on the link for that. So let's continue on just rubbing this soft willow against this sandpaper, and there we are. We have some lovely fine grade charcoal powder ready to use, and you can just pick it up with a lovely soft brush, and you can see there you're able to create some lovely soft gradual tones. So we come through there. And you can do line work with it, you can come in for more of a blended look and keep it very soft, beautifully soft to work with charcoal. It's a lovely medium and it's so versatile, and there we are. We can leave some areas untouched, come in with a bit more blending on other areas, and you can see how versatile it is, how many different marks and tone graduations we've been able to achieve here with this lovely willow charcoal. So that's how you make it. Like I say, very easy to make. And well worth making it. And in my next video I'll be showing you how you can paint with charcoal. So I'll show you how you can make your own charcoal paint, and then I'll give you a quick demonstration on how to use it. So I'll thank you for watching this video today on how to make charcoal powder. If you have enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.